Hey guys, what's going on? Just opened a pack of Panini Instant. I think it's called Winners. Well, I got a nice autograph, even though he's not a winner. I thought it was maybe gonna be like Super Bowl winners, so maybe like all Patriots cards, but it's not. But I'll show you what I got. First pack. That's why I figure I'll record it after I open it. I'm like, wow, it's a really nice hit that I got. Uh, Jeffrey, Diggs, Zeke, Freeman, and then I ended up getting an Aaron Donald number 16 out of 999 autograph. So that's pretty cool. So I figure, you know what, let me just record this real quick. A really nice hit autograph. So I figure I'll do like another pack, maybe like 3 packs or something really quick. It was only 500, so that wasn't bad. I don't know if you're guaranteed a hit every time, but autograph is 1 in 50, it said. So I don't know if they give it to you early, so maybe get you hooked into buying more. Christian McCaffrey, Melvin Gordon, Patrick Mahomes. These are all base. T.Y. Hilton, Clay Matthews. And that one was hitless, so I'll just skip that. And then I'll do another one. Maybe I'll do like 5. I have enough points, I think. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's a nice hit. Oh, so it does have winners inserts. Okay, I see. Bosa, Zach Ertz. I'm obviously just gonna skip to this one. Is this number? Oh wow, yeah, number 232 out of 999. Holy cow. That's pretty sweet. I should probably. There's no point of even pulling, opening anymore because I just got like the 2 best cards, I think. Unless I get a Tom Brady, obviously. I wish at level 5, you can auction your cards. Derek Carr, Aaron Donald again, T.Y. Hilton, Jalen Ramsey, and I'll obviously skip that. I don't need to look at anything. Maybe I'll do until I get one more hit or something. J.J. Watt, Gronk, Tate, Kevin White, Tom Brady. Maybe I'll just do one more pack because I think I gotta work today. Nice. Pro Bowl MVPs. Oh, I didn't even watch the Pro Bowl this year. So I think I'm averaging more hits than what they're telling me, which is good. This is probably $9.99 also, yep. Jamal. I guess I'll do one more. These packs are fun. You get nice hits. And I'm trying to make it to level 5, like I said, so I can auction some of these cards. Parker, Fitz, Randall Cobb, Lamar Miller, and Jermaine Curse, sorry. Let's see. Derrick Henry, Dak, Travis Kelce, David Johnson, and Terrell Suggs. Alshon Jeffrey, Chris Hogan, Zeke, Corey Coleman, David Johnson, and that's it. I was trying to hopefully get one more hit. Let's see. Actually, before I do that, let's see what it said. I forget. 1 in 5 chance per pack, 1 in 50 for a signature. So I already got the signature. I'll maybe try for one more instant winner. If not, this will be my last pack either way, I think. I don't think I got one. Usually sounds like it's been the first card. Alright. Let's see. I don't think I got a hit. Okay. Coakley. Abdullah, whatever. Roethlisberger. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys.